Hello YouTube and welcome back to Understated Auto Body. Next to me is our 2001 BMW 740i restoration project. It has now been completed. It's been both mechanically and cosmetically restored. I will say that during the mechanical restoration process, I did discover some rust in the inner wheelhouses and rockers in the rear sections. And one thing leads to another, we're repainting the whole car. So let me take you along on that journey. So this car has been in the family for 20 some odd years now. It's had some, minor cosmetic restoration here and there throughout its life. But now that I've found, this metal that's been rotted away, it was time to just go in and just do it all right, do it all at the same time, make it perfect, and that's what we're doing here. So we've got the doors off, we've done some rust repair inside the door jambs, we're going to do some other various rust repair around the car, but the biggest thing was just cutting out the metal in that inner wheelhouse and rocker area and straightening that out and then moving on to the rest of it. As you can see, as I zoom in here, you can see like the subframe and all that stuff is all brand new. All the suspension arms, everything underneath the car is new. The engine has been resealed. The Vanos has been fixed. The timing chain guides have been done. The valve covers are new. I mean, the car is, it's rock solid. It's just this cosmetic portion that needs to be taken care of now. And yeah, let me show you the rest of the process. Here we go, all painted. 3 coats of clear on this thing, laid out really nice. Baked it, opened the boot doors so it can gas out properly. Came out pretty much flawless, just some minor denibbing to do. Looks really, really nice. Really happy with it. Jams look amazing. All the way around. Everything's all connected, edge to edge, how it's supposed to be. Really, really nice. We had a small rust repair in this area that we cut the metal out, welded new metal in. Looks just like factory. And so here it is completed. It's all wet sanded, buffed, polished out. Looks amazing. Super smooth, but not too smooth. More of an OEM finish, which is the way I like it and prefer it. I'm super happy with how this came out. Super glossy. We've gone and already wrapped the front end. It's been a couple months. So the paint is cured, and now it's protected so it won't get rock chips. This was quite the project, and I'm glad it's over with and we can enjoy the car in all its glory. Thanks for watching.